Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm here at the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam's mosque. Such a great feeling. Can't wait to bring my wife and kids here inshallah one day, but I suggest to the ummah, my brothers and sisters, if you have the means, please come and visit.